Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video lo apnalokok swagatam janaisu. So let's start. First to ki ase? Okay, first to ki ase? Free trade agreement. Ki koise India and United Kingdom, that is UK, eta free trade agreement sign korise. Ketia July 24, 2025 ot. Thik ase? আৰু এই এগ্ৰিমেন্টক অফিচিয়ালি কি বুলি কোৱা হয় কম্প্ৰিহেনসিভ ইকোনমিক এণ্ড ট্ৰেড এগ্ৰিমেন্ট ঠিক আছে আৰু এটো সাইন হৈ কৰিছিলে যেতিয়া পিএম নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ইউকে ভিজিট কৰিছিলে ঠিক আছে আৰু what is the aims to eliminate tariff on 99% of Indian exports on 99% হেৰিয়ত tariff eliminate কৰিব কাৰণে first aim to tariff eliminate কৰিব লাগে tariff মানে হৈছে যোনখিনি ট্যাক্স লগা যায় ইম্পোর্ট আৰু এক্সপোর্ট কৰা বস্তুখিনি যোনখিনি ট্যাক্স লগা যায় তাক tariff বুলি কয় ঠিক আছে তাৰ পিছত ওপেন মাৰ্কেট এক্সেস মেইন এম গিটা হৈছে কি eliminate tariff on 99% of Indian export open market access across key sectors and create thousands of jobs ঠিক আছে মেইন এম গিটা মনত ৰাখিবা তো এটা এমসিকিউ কোৰ কি কৈছে consider the following statements regarding the India UK comprehensive economic and trade agreement so agreement to বিষয়ে আমাক চাৰিটা statement দিছে আৰু কোনগিটা correct হয় চাব লাগে first to কি কৈছে it eliminates tariffs on nearly 99% of Indian exports to the UK কি কৈছে eliminate কৰিব nearly 99% of Indian exports to the UK হয় না already আমি এটো চাইছো so statement 1 is correct second to কি কৈছে the agreement allows duty free access to UK dairy products in India this is not correct dairy products of বিষয়ে একো concession provide কৰা নাই ঠিক আছে তো statement 2 is incorrect ঠিক আছে third to কি কৈছে it was signed in 2025 during Prime Minister Modi's visit to the UK ঠিক আছে yes statement 3 is correct কেতিয়া সাইন হৈছিলে যেতিয়া PM Modi UK visit কৰিছিলে ঠিক আছে in 2025 তাৰপিছত fourth to কি কৈছে it provides India improve market access in sectors like marine textile and engineering goods yes it is correct sectors like marine textile আৰু engineering goods or markets improve market access improve কৰিবৰ কাৰণে so 1 3 and 4 are correct option A will be the correct answer next eviction drive so Supreme Court of India কি কৰিছে এটা নোটিস ইস্যু কৰিছে কাৰ কাৰণে Assam governmentor karne over a mass eviction drive carried out on Gwalpara district junto mass eviction drive solise tar karne Supreme Court eta notice uliaise issue korise aru kiman evict hol over 500 families already evicted thik ase tarpisot the eviction was challenged on grounds of lack of proper rehabilitation and violation of human right ekhini karne notice pathaise lack of proper rehabilitation or violation of human rights or karne Supreme Court e ki korise notice issue korise ka karne Assam government or karne thik ase aru ki koise Assam government within 4 weeks respond koribo lagibo so here related eta MCQ sa With reference to the recent Supreme Court notice to the Assam government regarding the Gwalpara eviction, consider the following statements. So, yar bikhoye amak Gwalpara eviction or bikhoye amak sarita statement dise aru ami kongita correct hoy sabo lage. First to ki koise the Assam government claimed the eviction was carried out for expanding tourism infrastructure. No, it is not correct. Tourism infrastructure expand kora karne expand koribo karne eviction hua nai kiho karne hoise enforcement or karne hoise thik ase it is not correct one is not correct Next, over 500 families were reportedly affected by the eviction drive. Yes, it is correct. Statement 2 is correct. Ami already saiso 500 ko besi family affect hoise by the eviction drive. Thik ase? The Supreme Court has stayed all further eviction in Assam till the case is resolved. No, Supreme Court notice eta dise, but eku stay order dia nai. So statement 3 is not correct. 4 to ki koise? The notice was issued in response to PIL challenging eviction without rehabilitation. Yes, notice to issue hoise karon PIL dia hoisile eviction korise without proper rehabilitation. So statement 4 is correct. So 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Sorry. Yes, 2 and 4 are correct. So option C will be the correct answer. Sorry. Next, maritime sector. So Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowale eto state korise je maritime sector will be a key driver in achieving ki achieve koribole Viksit Bharat by 2047 or like Viksit Bharat achieve koribo karone key driver driving sector to ki hoy according to Sarbananda Sonowal it is the maritime sector. Thik ase? Speaking at the National Summit of Portland development, he emphasized the government's focus on enhancing port infrastructure, boosting blue economy. He can emphasis government's focus on enhancing port infrastructure, tarpisot blue economy boost kora, blue economy initiative, thik ase? Boost koribo karne aru improving logistic efficiency under the Sagarmala program. Thik ase? So, here related MCQ sa with reference to the role of maritime sector in India's development, consider the following statement. So, maritime sector of in India's development or uporat amar sarita statement dia ase kongita correct hoy kobo lage. First to ki koise the Sagarmala program aims to modernize India's ports infrastructure and integrate it with industrial corridors. Yes, this is correct. Option statement 1 is correct. Next to ki koise the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047 includes sustainable development of blue economy. Yes, main vision to ki ase? Yes, it includes sustainable development of the blue economy. So statement 2 is correct as well. India's maritime vision excludes the promotion of inland waterways to reduce logistic cost. This is not correct. Inland waterway at essential part hoy thik ase maritime sector, so it cannot be excluded by exclude nokore. So statement 3 is not correct. 4 to ki koise Sarbananda Sonowal is the correct Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Statement 4 is correct. So 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Option B will be the correct answer. Okay. Next ki ase Panchayat extension to Schedule Areas Act. The Ministry of Karkar Majot MOU signed hoise. A Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Government of Madhya Pradesh and Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Amarkantak or Majot ki hoise MOU sign hoise to establish koribole sign Center of Excellence on PESA. Thik ase? PESA, Panchayat's extension to Schedule Areas Act 1996. The initiative aims to to boost local self-governments in tribal area. Tribal areas or local self-government boost korato your main aim. Thik ase? Strengthen PESA implementation and document tribal custom and governance practices. So, eta MCQ koru. Thik ase? First to ki koise? Consider the following statements regarding the new Center of Excellence on PESA at Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. Sarita statement dia ase. Kuntu correct hoy kobo lage. It is a collaborative initiative between the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Government of Madhya Pradesh and Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. Yes, I already salu kar majot sign hoisile. এগিটা হেৰিয়ৰ মাজতে সাইন হৈছিলে মিনিষ্ট্ৰি অফ পঞ্চায়তী ৰাজ গভৰ্নমেন্ট অফ মধ্য প্ৰদেশ আৰু Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. So statement 1 is correct. Second to ki koise the center will focus on documenting tribal customs, creating IEC material and training tribal leaders. Yes, statement 2 is correct as well. Third to ki koise the initiative is intended to replace Forest Right Act in scheduled areas. Initiative to it is not correct. Initiative A to initiative pe Forest Right Act replace nokore. A to Forest Right Act aru etu initiative dunto duita ki koribo individually by independently nije operate koribo, thik ase, not related. It is not replaced. Forest Right Act in scheduled area is not replaced. thik ase, so statement 3 is not correct. Fourth to ki koise the center will address implementation challenges of PESA through institutional and community capacity building. Yes, statement 4 is correct as well. So 1, 2 and 4 are correct. That is option A. ঠিক আছে? Okay. So, azile imantoe, that's all for today. Thank you.